Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the export resolution of your designs or images in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that can really make a difference when you're getting your graphics ready for different uses, whether it's for a sharp presentation, web graphics, or a high-resolution print. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your export settings and choose the resolution that fits your needs, all without any frustration or confusion. Let's dive right in. First up, go ahead and click on the design, image, or any object that you want to export. It might be a frame, a single layer, or a group of elements. Make sure it's selected. You should see that iconic blue outline around your selection. Getting this right is key, as Figma only exports what you've actively highlighted. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, no worries. Just click elsewhere and try again until you've got the right one. Now look over to the right-hand side of the Figma interface. Here you'll see a panel labeled Design. This panel is your main control center for adjusting all sorts of properties for your selected item. Scroll down a bit within that design area until you find the export section. Sometimes, especially on busy projects, you might have to expand this section by clicking the little arrow if it's collapsed, just in case you don't see the options right away. Next, you'll notice a plus sign, usually marked with a little plus icon. Go ahead and click on this. What you're doing here is adding an export setting to your selection. It's a bit like telling Figma, hey, I want to prepare this item for export and I want to control how it turns out. Once you click that plus, you'll see some new options pop up, including a dropdown that usually says 1x by default. This is where the magic happens. That 1x is Figma's standard export resolution. Basically, it means the design will be exported at the size you've built it. But say, for example, you need a smaller file for a quick web preview, or maybe you want a crisp, high-res graphic for a Retina display. Simply click that 1x dropdown and you'll see other options, like 0.5x or 0.75x for lower resolutions. Choosing one of these is perfect if you want to shrink your image down, maybe to save space or keep your website speedy. On the flip side, if you need your design to be extra sharp, say you're making assets for modern devices with high-density screens or preparing some really detailed prints, you can choose higher figures like 1.5x, 2x, or even 3x. Figma will multiply the pixel count accordingly, so your export will come out larger and crisper. Don't worry if these numbers look intimidating, just imagine them as quick buttons for half size, 3/4 size, or twice as big. Play around with the options to see which suits your project best. Once you've picked the resolution you want, you're all set. You just need to click the export button that will appear. Figma does all the heavy lifting in the background, and in a few seconds your newly scaled image will be ready for download. Remember, it's always a good idea to check your exported file and see how it looks in its final context, especially if you're preparing assets for different platforms. And that's really all there is to it. Changing your export resolution in Figma is quick and easy once you know where to find the controls, and it gives you tons of flexibility for creating assets that look great everywhere. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions about Figma, or even just to say hello, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.